Alright, what's going on, guys? Today is Lebanon Valley Drift. This is kind of just like on the spot type of thing. I'm going to pick up Jonas. I'm going to go wash the car because my car is just covered in bugs. It looks terrible. And we're going to head up to Lebanon Valley Drift. Jason's going to be drifting the Z today and stuff, so maybe we'll catch a ride along. Other than that, we're just gonna head out, got a full tank of gas, and gonna go grab Jonas. All right, we're at one of these car washes. I haven't been to one of these in like 2 years. So let's see if it's actually gonna do its job. This thing's really dirty, like really dirty. Look at all the bugs is the main part on the grill. I should have parked the front in the sun so you could see. But let's see how this thing does. And let's see if it actually does a good job. All right, let's see how it did. All right, they couldn't even get the bird shit off right here.
Eat all day, guys. So I have a chicken wrap here. We're gonna punch. I can't microwave this, so I'm just gonna go right there.
Oh my!
Let her eat.
All right, I just gave it a quick wipe down. It looks way better now. But off to the drift event. All right, guys, we made it. He's cracking one. We found Jason and Keenan's spot. I'm parking here. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. I don't think I will. No one's even around. But let's go find Jason. Oh, there he is, dude, right in the line. Alright guys, we're at Lebanon Valley. As you saw, these are the liveries of those Z's. But I'm really pissed I can't drive my car out here because the rule here is you need a roll bar or a hard top, and I have neither. But I've seen Miatas with neither just drifting out here, so I don't really get the rules. But I'm really, really mad that I'm not drifting out here. Because it looks like a blast and Jason's out here. Hopefully, maybe I can ride along later, use like Keenan's pants or something, because you need pants. I don't have pants. But I brought the Z, look at IS300s. Life OD's here. It's just an awesome day. The weather's awesome. Hopefully the SR is not blown up. Something's going on though. Alright guys, there's some commotion on the track right now. We're waiting for Jason to go out. He's if you see him over there, he's like gonna go out pretty soon. What's going on, Keenan?
He bottomed out on the track, so I'm just looking. It is Jason. What's up?
He's gotta go in the ride along. Just grabbing a snack. Alright guys, little update. Here's the pit. Jonas is going to take a piss. Jason's been out there. He's been doing pretty good. I'm going to try and get a ride along. Me and Keenan are going to switch spots when he's farther up in the line. And hopefully I got some in-car footage. I'm really, guys, like I said, I'm really bummed that Miata's not here. I've been itching to drift it. But maybe next time. Lock City's in August. I'll definitely be there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
This key, I never fucking used this key before. I never done this before. Let's fucking do it. Let's fucking do it. I'm fucking crazy, baby. Oh.
Dude, no, you don't open it yet. You pop the hole first.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh my god. Alright, bro. Alright.
These keys here, Keenan, catch this. Right?
This guy's ass. Dude, what a waste! What a waste! What a waste. Let me feel that. Oh my. I feel like a spaceman in these. Oh, AC, dude?
Actually, no, 20.
Yeah, dude. Dude, that's what I'm fucking talking about, man. Woo! Yeah, dude, good shit.
What do you want? I want a 2JZ. I'm gonna get the GE 4G turbo it. That thing will make all. Actually, you don't even need the 4G turbo. You can make all the power with the 2J.
Yeah, dude, you gotta hurry. Jason's. Dude, Jason's waiting for you. Hurry up.
Oh, fucking hit like nuts. How do you? asking how you do it.
It's like dirt bike pants.
You gotta zip it up too right here. There's a zipper, bro.
Pull it.
All right, zip it up too.
Fine. I'm cramped. Don't do that.
Here you go, bro.
Oh my
Run.
God.
Oh my dude.
Grab my sunglasses. Thank you, Cam. For grabbing my.
All right, run to Jason. Alright guys, I got some dog shit on my shoes, both sides, and I don't want to drive the Zookas, so we're going back to the 1900s here. I don't think it's working now.
Take this.
Huh?
Take this. 5 down, baby. The dude's freaking out.
He's freaking out?
Yeah. Listen, I don't know if I'll make this lap, but we'll try. Fold them like a fucking omelet. You know the drunken.
He's gonna have to hold his pants up.
The drunken clam?
The drunken clam.
Dude, he's gonna forget that he's gotta hold his pants up, and he's gonna chase after him and just trip over him.
So how do you feel?
Let me tell. Hold on, give me 1 second. You know what these pants are for? They're to accommodate my big fat nuts.
Alright, what's going on guys? We're going home right now. It was a pretty nice day. Nice to meet you for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.